This sleek 65% board is the Womier SK71. It's a hot swappable, gasket mounted wireless board made from aluminum alloy, and for just under 95 bucks, it delivers incredible performance on a budget. In this video, we'll cover all the specs and features that you need to know about, as well as some thoughts that I've had over the couple of weeks using this keyboard. The first thing I want to address is a bit of a discrepancy with the Amazon listing page. They're calling this a 75% keyboard on there, but as you can see, there's no F key row, so this is really looking more like an expanded 65% layout. On the top of the board, you'll find your connectivity controls. There's a little USB dongle seated in the top for your 2.4 GHz connection, your USB-C port, and a switch that controls what mode you're in. Here we'll switch Bluetooth on. To get Bluetooth all paired up, start listening on your PC while holding down the Function and Q keys. In Windows, you'll see your SK71 pop up, and once you connect it, you're good to go. Now this keyboard features 3 Bluetooth profiles, so you can seamlessly swap between devices with it. Now this board has a 4600 mAh battery installed, so you can expect over 100 working hours with RGB enabled, and I can definitely vouch for the battery life on this thing. There's a variety of different colors this board comes in, but you're looking at the silver version too. Regardless of color, you're getting cherry profile double shot PBT keycaps, and under the hood, we've got the hot swappable PCB that supports both 3 and 5 pin switches with south-facing RGB LEDs, and the keyboard ships with pre-lubed Otomu white switches. These are linear switches that feel quite light when compared to something like the Black Ink V2s, and they feel surprisingly smooth and creamy out of the box. I'll shut up a little now so you can hear it for yourself. So I really like this keyboard. I think it's a great budgetary option to get you started in the custom keyboard hobby. The board rips straight out of the box, and they even include a couple extra switches, which I just think is nice. But there is one big issue for me. The board's not currently VIA compatible. For any custom key mappings or RGB profiles, you will need to download Womiers proprietary software, and that's just not something I was really interested in doing. But as it is out of the box, this keyboard does what I need it to, and if you're interested, you can check out this board on Amazon using my affiliate link below. If you have any questions about the board, I'm happy to try and help out, so let me know in the comments down below. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I did preparing it for you, so until next time, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you later.